Maccani. I have more than 15 years experience in the steelmaking industry. Started for a couple of years, 15 years ago, in a big integrated mill in the south of Italy, where I help BN Group, the company that I'm working with, in retrofitting, revamping, digitalization, consolidation of pulpits, and different kind of automation and digitalization of the process. Then I move as a project manager in different plants around Europe for the main European steelmaker. When we start with the company, the journey of the implementation of robotics, I help in the technical standpoint, the development of the first application for sampling, tagging, and other application in the steel industry about robotics. And today I'm the Chief Technology Officer located in the United States for Polytec USA, Polytec USA, one of the company of the group, of BN Group Polytec. So today I would like to talk more in a technical standpoint of different technologies that we can use that are needed and used in the steel industry for tracking and tracing products after the continuous casting machine. One of the most important things during the casting machine is to, especially today where the quality and the grade of the steel produced are large, and it's very important to track consistently the products. So the technology that are available on the market today are essentially three. One is stamping or embossing on a surface of the product. I call it product because it can be billets, it can be needle shape, it can be slabs, it can be beam blanks, and so on. So the stamping solution, I said, that is the oldest technology used in the market. I don't want to spend too much time on this technology because I think it's an old technology, it's not anymore so diffuse. We have replaced most of these applications with new technologies, essentially because in the maintenance standpoint that are really hard to keep working and well maintained, and because the surface where the stamp is stamping is not easy to read during the production. So I would like to focus on the two main current technologies that are used on the marking, on tagging or marking. So one is the marking versus the tagging solution. So what are the plus and cons of these kind of technologies? So in the marking, we have paint used to mark the number of the heat directly on the surface, or to create a layer, a coat on the surface of the billet, and then a laser is engraving the information on the billet. In the tagging, we are offline preparing a tag that is usually a metal tag, stainless steel, ceramic coated, marked with a laser that is applied later on the billet. Pro and cons of the technologies. In the marking standpoint, we have application of the information directly on the surface. That means that if the surface is not perfect, like a defect on the cut or the torch cut that is not working properly and generating waves on the surface, that can affect the production and the readability of the information. Pros is the fact that the cost of the marking solution is a bit cheaper. Cons of the marking solution compared to tagging is the fact that using paint means a lot of maintenance on the nozzle, cleaning of the nozzle, every time that there is a down day or a small outage, or even a short outage of 1 or more days, that can affect the restart of the machine. So maintenance have to go down there, check the machine, check the functionality before starting a new production, even in a short period of pausing during the production. Tagging, vice versa, is very easy. There are different solutions on rows of tags or pre-cutted tag that we like more for simplicity in the productivity. So this tag is essentially picked, is marked by a laser, and is applied with a tag, with a pilot arc welding system directly on the billet. So another plus of this tagging solution is the fact that we have a very flat surface, is a matte coating ceramic that is marked by the laser. So it's very easy to read with a machine vision, a computer vision before the heating furnace, even after days or weeks or months outside under different weather conditions, snow, rain, and sun. Something that for a marking solution with paint is not possible. So that are essentially the pros and cons of this kind of technologies. We can support and supply both of technologies. Is really depending on the production process, on the system that you would like to integrate inside of your plant.